We begin tonight with the Eric Sackett trial. He's charged with homicide in the death of his former girlfriend, Erin Samvalai. Samvalai reported missing last June by her family. 2 weeks later, fishermen discovered her body in a Vernon County lake. Less than 2 months later, authorities charged Sackett with her death, while Sackett was in jail on unrelated charges. Through several court appearances leading to trial, Sackett maintained his innocence, saying he had nothing to do with Samvalai's death. Early this morning, opening arguments in that trial. News 19's Marcus Arsvold in court today and joins us live from the courthouse with details about those arguments. Marcus?
Dave, opening arguments give the prosecution and the defense time to tell their stories and explain what they think their evidence is going to show. So, first, the prosecution. They talked about Samvalai's 2 kids, how she was in love with Sackett, and that his phone records are evidence of his involvement.
At the end of this case, I think you're going to agree that Eric Sackett's the only person who had means, motive, and opportunity to intentionally cause the death of Erin Samvalai. I'm asking to find him guilty of first-degree intentional homicide.
After the prosecution's opening statements, it was Sackett's defense attorney's turn. He said that Sackett was not in love with Samvalai, that Samvalai was depressed, suicidal, and her primary care physician was taking advantage of her. And his evidence, he says, will show that.
Feel your emotions, but keep the logical side of your brain turned on. Listen to the facts, because it's the evidence and not the emotion that'll decide this case. We're all here because Mr. Sackett says that he's innocent. And I'm confident that when you follow the facts, when you follow the evidence, you'll conclude the same.
Now, both sides say there's still a lot of evidence and facts that are about to come out to play. Today, the law enforcement officers involved, Sackett's probation officer, and Samvalai's father all testified. Dave?
Marcus, thanks very much. Opening statements concluded about 10 o'clock this morning. Then testimony followed, the prosecution and defense calling La Crosse investigators to the stand. They showed body camera video from police interaction with Sackett. Samvalai's father also called to the stand to talk about his daughter and his interaction with police after his daughter was reported missing. Sackett's lawyers asked if, when, and how he helped clean Samvalai's apartment, even though it was a crime scene.
It was about approximately a week into Erin having gone missing. Lieutenant O'Neill was at the apartment and I asked him if I could start cleaning it at that time.
Bushwick said the officer gave him permission to begin cleaning. Those questions working to establish a timeline for the investigation. That trial continues tomorrow. Details about today's proceeding coming up tonight at 6 o'clock.